Replacing a door may seem like a straightforward task, but it's easy to make mistakes that can affect both the aesthetics and functionality of your home in Mesa. Whether you're updating your entry door, patio door, or internal doors, taking the right steps and avoiding common pitfalls will ensure you get the best results. Here are some of the most frequent door replacement mistakes homeowners make and tips on how to avoid them. Choosing the wrong size door. One of the most common mistakes people make is selecting a door that doesn't fit properly. This can lead to a series of issues such as drafts, security risks, and aesthetic problems. It's crucial to measure your door frame correctly before purchasing a replacement. How to avoid it. Measure the height, width, and depth of your current door frame. Take note of the door's thickness, as this can vary based on the style. If you're replacing an entry door, ensure you measure from the top to the bottom of the frame and across the width at several points. It's also worth checking the threshold to make sure the new door can be installed without compromising energy efficiency. Ignoring energy efficiency. In the desert climate of Mesa, energy efficiency is essential for keeping your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Many homeowners focus too much on aesthetics and forget about the door's insulation properties. A poorly insulated door can lead to higher energy bills, increased wear and tear on HVAC systems, and an uncomfortable living environment. How to avoid it. Choose a door with a high R value, which measures its insulation properties. Materials like fiberglass and steel are known for their excellent insulation properties, while wood can also offer decent insulation when combined with modern weather stripping and seals. Additionally, consider adding a storm door for extra protection against extreme temperatures. Overlooking security features. Your door serves as one of the primary lines of defense against intruders. Opting for a door that doesn't have adequate security features can leave your home vulnerable. Many homeowners focus on aesthetics but fail to choose a door that meets modern security standards. How to avoid it. Make sure the door you choose has a strong frame and reliable locking mechanism. Steel doors are often the best option for ensuring both security and durability. If you're opting for a wood door, choose one with a solid core rather than hollow. Don't forget to invest in high-quality hardware, including a deadbolt, reinforced strike plates, and security hinges. Improper installation. Even the best door can underperform if it isn't installed correctly. Improper installation can lead to air leaks, difficulty opening or closing, or even the door becoming damaged over time. Additionally, the wrong installation can void warranties or lead to costly repairs. How to avoid it. If you aren't experienced in door installation, it's advisable to hire a professional contractor who specializes in door replacements. Ensure the installer is familiar with local building codes in Mesa and understands the specific requirements for your area, including weatherproofing. Hiring an expert also ensures that the door is securely attached, preventing issues down the road. Neglecting curb appeal. Your front door makes a statement about your home. When replacing your entry door, many homeowners forget to consider how the door will affect their home's curb appeal. A mismatched door or one that clashes with your home's exterior can detract from its overall aesthetic. How to avoid it? Choose a door that complements the architectural style of your home. In Mesa, where desert modern and southwestern styles are common, you might consider doors with clean lines or rustic materials like wood. Pay attention to the color, design, and hardware to ensure it enhances the look of your home and adds value. Failing to maintain the door. A new door can look great initially, but neglecting regular maintenance can cause it to deteriorate prematurely. From cleaning to sealing, ensuring your door stays in optimal condition will prolong its life. How to avoid it? Regularly inspect your door for signs of wear, especially in high traffic areas. Clean it regularly and reapply weather stripping if needed. For wooden doors, ensure they are sealed to prevent moisture damage, particularly in the hot and dry climate of Mesa. If you have a steel or fiberglass door, check for dents or scratches that may require touch-up paint to keep it looking its best. Underestimating the budget. Finally, many homeowners underestimate the total cost of replacing a door. The price of the door itself is just the beginning. Installation, hardware, and potential extra features like weather stripping or storm door can quickly add up. How to avoid it? Set a realistic budget before you begin the project. Factor in the cost of professional installation and any additional features you may want. It's also a good idea to get multiple quotes from contractors to ensure you're getting the best value for your money. Conclusion. Replacing a door in Mesa is a great way to improve your home's comfort, security, and curb appeal. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure that your door replacement goes smoothly and provides long-term benefits. Always measure correctly, choose energy-efficient options, and invest in quality installation to get the most out of your new door. With careful planning and attention to detail, you'll enjoy a beautiful, functional door that enhances your home for years to come.